Another day, another chance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about the quiz that I'm going to do now. So let's get to it. If the following is true about having Java constructors. So an object is already called when an object is created. What happens if you do not define a constructor in the Java class? Class cannot be instantiated. So it provides a default constructor. So if no constructor is provided, Java automatically supplies a default constructor with no parameters. So yeah, can a Java constructor be private? Yes, but it must be instantiated outside the class. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. How can one constructor call another within the same class by using this? In Java, this is used to call another constructor of the same class, allowing constructor chaining. What would the output of this program be? Because there's no conditions or if else statements, just demo act just a demo function and a print in function. You're just gonna have both printed out. This Andrew statement calls a parameterized constructor first, followed by the execution of the default constructor. Can a constructor be final in Java? Never. Yes, but only in the abstract classes. Yes, but only for utility classes. Yes, if you override it. No, because constructors are not inherited. It's true. It cannot be final because once because the reason why is because it's never inherited, and final is meant to prevent overriding. So never. Now, why would the output of the following code be? Because you deemed the case where the superclass always comes first before the extended one. Before this one, before this class here, a class like this here, it's gonna be base constructor and then derived constructor. So in Java, when a subclass constructor is called, it automatically calls superclass constructor first for executing its own body. So what will be the output of this program? So private constructor, man, what's gonna be? Aha, private constructor can still be called inside the class in itself using a static method. What is the purpose of constructor? Initialize objects, and then here's my thing here. So you have completed 9 out of 9 questions. Accuracy is 100. Yeah, yeah. This one nearly got me, and then this one, man, this one is super close, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So yeah, that there you have it. Thank you. Take care.